Hi folks, I have just returned from a wonderful Christmas cruise, but in the last 4 cruises I've come back with something called cabin cough, which is like flu without the aches, and I've been coughing and spluttering for many days now. Many people on the same ship, the Arcadia from P&O, also exhibited the cabin cough, and my partner's got it quite badly. Now we are in our 60s and 70s, and such things are quite serious, and it seems that it's down to the air conditioning on the liner. However, nobody seems to know. The only thing that can be said is that the ship's doctor, who charges £50 for consultation and then medication and gives us antibiotics, the ship's doctor is making a bomb. Some people are very ill. Now this has happened on 2 of the last 4 cruises, so why, P&O, are you not treating this as a serious matter? Thank you. I guess I want to leave you with an example of the cough. There you are. And I'll also leave you with a picture of the sun-filled deck of the P&O ship, which docked in Barbados, or was it St. Kitts, or was it St. Lucia? Last picture will be a bit more pleasant.